Good morning. You have 5 minutes. That is enough to change the entire tone of your day. Let's use them well. Take one deep breath in and breathe out. You are here. You are alive. And that is already something to be grateful for. Close your eyes if you can. Breathe in slowly and breathe out. Feel your body waking up. Feel the morning around you. You are present. You are ready. Repeat each affirmation with me. Say it like you mean it. Feel it as you say it. I am grateful to be alive today. I am grateful for the gift of a new morning. I am grateful for my body and all it does for me. I am grateful for the people who love me. I am grateful for the roof over my head. I am grateful for the food that nourishes me. I am grateful for my mind and its ability to grow. I am grateful for every challenge that has made me stronger. I am grateful for the beauty that exists in my life. I am grateful for this breath. And this one. I am grateful for the opportunities coming to me today. I am grateful for my ability to choose how I show up today. I am grateful for peace. I am grateful for love. I am grateful for abundance flowing into my life. I am grateful for who I am becoming. I am grateful for this moment. Right here, right now. I choose gratitude. I choose joy. I choose to make today count. Take one final breath in and breathe out slowly. Carry this feeling with you today. Look for things to be grateful for in the small moments, in the unexpected kindness, in the ordinary beauty of your everyday life. Gratitude changes everything, and you just chose it. Good morning. Go make it a great one.